Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Give My Love. The song is Give My Love, the artist is Kim, and the choreography is Kenny J. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 251 0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the choreography instructional. And here we go. Is that beautiful or what? Instructors, I would use that dance as a cool down. That's called Give My Love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Do That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you